title is how to become a successful entrepreneur, right? So before that, uh, what is the role of the entrepreneur? Okay, so when we see that, actually entrepreneurship is the best way to best way to develop ourselves in the business. Okay, so what we have to do that, uh, we have to set a goal that what we are going to do in our future, right? Either we are going to get a job, or we're going for higher studies, or we are going for the self entrepreneurship. Okay, so in today's world, the development of our nation is depend upon our self entrepreneurship. Okay, so if more number of entrepreneurs are developed, automatically the economy of our nation will get developed. Okay, so the entrepreneurship is the very important one. So how to become a successful entrepreneur? So for developing our entrepreneurship inside, so we have to set our goal inside first. Okay, so that means that we have to set our goal, and we have to develop our self confidence, and so within ourselves we have to develop our self motivation. Okay, so that is the only way to start our entrepreneurship, gradually. Okay, so it is meaning that what we have to do that initially, so we have to find out our self interest. Okay, in which part we are having the self interest. Either we are going for the software side, or we are going for the hardware side, right? So even we can go for the job, or we can start a company in that field also, either software or hardware, or so whatever may be the field we are liking more. So we have to find out the thing which is inside ourselves, right? So we have to find out first, what is the interest we are having, that is what is our goal, so in which field we are having the more interest. Okay, so by finding out that thing, then we have to develop that. So for developing that, we have to improve our self motivation. Okay, so we have to be self motivated, like, we should find out the ways that what are all the ways available to develop our what is that entrepreneurship, so interest. Okay, so we have to develop that first. So we have to develop that first. Okay, so then what we have to do that, in which area we have selected, so we have to find out the recent development in the particular area. Okay, so what are all the recent developments, like what are all the products they have developed, what are the products developed, and what are all the recent innovations in the particular field, and who are all the vendors available, and who are all the suppliers, and those who are all working in the particular field. Okay, so these are the information we have to collect first. Okay, and we have to look after the performance. Okay, so what are all the things they have adopted to develop a business in successful manner. So we have to collect some of the successful points, that what they have adopted for developing their own business. Okay, so by taking that points, and we have to collect that points, and we have to find out the thing which can be adopted for ourselves. Okay, so we have to find out the thing which can be adopted for ourselves, and then we have to develop that. Okay, so for all those things, so these are all the technical part, but for all those things, initially we need to develop ourselves first. Okay, that means that self motivation, self confidence, that has to be developed initially, right? That is the first key point to improve our business skills. Okay, so we have to be self motivated first. Okay, so we have to put our self confidence that we can do, we can able to develop, we can able to achieve. Okay, so for developing that kind of self motivational things, automatically we can improve ourselves. Okay, so then after doing that, okay, as I told, we have to find out the key points which can be used for developing our business. Okay, so we have to find out the small points which can be used for improving our or developing our business. So that has to be taken, and we have to analyze each and every one, and we have to improve that, and we have to create the circumstances like how we can able to run it smoothly. Okay, then step by step manner we have to improve our business skills. Okay, so for developing all those things, right, the main and more important point is the thing has to be, that is the spark has to be developed with ourselves. Okay, so those who are having the self motivation, those who are having the self interest, those who want to become a self entrepreneur, they have to put the confidence level in the best manner. They have to develop their self interest, they have to develop their self confidence, right, they have to work hard, and they have to be punctual. Okay, and whatever may be the task they are taking, they have to be sincere, okay, for developing that. So these are the things, even we are going for the company for working, or else you are going for starting a company. Okay, so whatever may be the thing, these are all the things to be improved with ourselves. Okay, so that we can able to we can be a successful man or women. Okay, so even it may be a business, or it may be the field in which they are in which we are working. So not only in the working field, it is in the life also. So we have to set our goal. We should have the confidence. We should have the motivation. We should have goal. Okay, so these are all the important things, important key points, right, to become a successful man or women. So whatever may be the task we are taking, right, we must be dedicated to the particular task, right. So the dedication is a very important one. Even we are achieving the 100% success, or we are achieving the 60% success or 70% success, whatever may be the thing, the dedication is a very important one. So that if we are not getting the success also, we can able to find out the problems, right. So whatever may be the problems which we are having, so that we can able to rectify that. Okay, so we can able to rectify that. So by rectifying that, we can able to improve ourselves to become a successful man or woman, or to become a successful entrepreneur. So by keeping these point in your mind, if you're going for a company, or if you're doing want to become an entrepreneur, okay, so these are the important things, not only for doing a company entrepreneur, for running our life in the best and best manner. We should have these kind of we should improve these kind of parameters.